Alright, now I will show how to create parametric modeling in SolidWorks assembly using a very simple assembly model consisting of two parts. This is assembly model, and all the dimensions of this both of these parts related to the length of this base. So initially the base is 100. If I change 100 to 200, all the dimensions will change automatically. You see, all the changes double. If I change 200 to 400, all the dimensions will change accordingly. So let's start how we can create this parametric modeling. Let's start with a new part file. Okay. Now I am creating the first part. Take a top plane. Using a smart dimension, I'm creating the dimension of the two parts to make it fully defined. And now I want to make a cutout here. Good 10. Now it is fully defined. Let's start part 1. Create a rectangle using a smart dimension, the length 100 and the width 50, and then using extruded feature I'm gonna make it thickness 25. Okay, now sketch on this face using convert entities, then using trim entities from all other lines, then the center line, make it center, make it perpendicular to again using a smart dimension, make it 10. This should be 20, and okay, this is fully defined. Now I can cut it using extruded feature, extruded cut. The direction should be to next face. I'm selecting this face. Okay, my first part is ready. This is part one. Go to annotation, right click on annotation and show feature dimensions. Now I will make relation with this 100 to all the other dimensions. Okay, so to do that, first click this, then double click on the 50, then press equal, then I want to make an equation. This is relating to 100, click on the 100, and this is actually 50 divided by 100 equal to 0.5. I can make the relation like this, multiplied by 0.5. Okay, now you can see it has made an equation sign and still it is 50. Now I want to make a relation with this 20. Double click on this, press equal, then click on this 100 and then make a relation. This 20 divided by 100, that means 0.2 multiplied by, you can see equation sign and it is still 20, so it is, the relation is okay. Double click on 100 again, click equal, 100, control star, multiplied by 0.1. Okay, I have three relation. I need another relation. I also create a relation with this extrusion length. Double click on this, press equal, then click on this 100 multiplied by 0.2. Now I have all the relations ready. Now you can see if I change this number to 200, then all the other dimensions will change accordingly. Press the rebuild, then you can see previously it was 20, now it is 40, previously it was 10, now it is 20, so all the others is changed automatically. Okay, now again I will make it 100. Okay, now save. Okay, my first part is ready. Now I'm gonna start for second part, start a new part file, and then I will select from plane to do that. So control rectangle. Turn to this, turn this, and the center line I want to make it align with this. Make it vertical. Okay. Now using split dimension, get the dimension, it will be 20. 10. Okay, now what else? It will be 50. It can be 25. Okay, it is now, it is fully defined, so I can extrude it now. Extrude it plus. So make it 20. Now again I want to make a relation referring to any one dimension. Let's again, I need to show the all feature dimensions. Again I want to make a relation with all the with this 50 to all the other dimensions. Okay, so double click on this, press equal 50, so 25 divided by 50 equal to 0.5, so multiplied by 0.5, press OK. So it is 25 and with the equation sign. So again make a relation with this, equal 50 multiplied by just 20, so 0.4, 20 divided by 50 equal to 0.4. So yes, relation is good. Double click on this, equal 50 0.2, 0.2. Good. Now I want to make relation with this extrusion length, equal, it was almost 20, so it was multiplied by 0.4. Okay, all the relation is ready. Now I can check. If I change to 100, all the other dimensions should be double. Yes, it is 40, 50, 40, 20, all the other dimensions will change. Again I change to it 50. Okay, my two parts is ready. Okay, now I need to go to file. Oh, sorry, I can go from here, make assembly file, and then this is assembly file. So I need two parts, so click this part 1 and then here and then part 2 and first with this face and this face, coincident relation, click OK. Now I want to make this face with this face, it will be coincident relation. Okay, now I can move it like this, but I want to make another relation so that it can move from this face to this face. So create another map, this face with this face, and now I want to get bounce and to give range. They click on the distance, and then minimum distance will be 0 and maximum distance will be 100 minus 10, that's 80. Click OK. Now I can move only here to here. Okay, good. Now I need to make relation. So to do that, go to tool, go to equations. So I need to create a global variable because I want to create only one reference parameter, so that is L, the length of the, based on this length all the if I change the length, all the dimensions will change automatically. That's why I need to create only one global variable, that is L. L equal to 100. Initially I'll give the value 100 millimeter. Click OK. Now I will relate the components dimension parameters with this. So your component it will be the first part 1. I have the length here, so double click here. You see this is my 100, so I want to make this 100. I want to create a relation with this 100 to L, so it will be same as L. So click here, now click this 100, so this diameter is now here, this dimension is now here, and then here click equal, then go to global variables and then click L, so it will be only one equal, it will be L. Okay, there is something wrong here. Okay, hit equal global variable. Okay, now it is good. Now again go to part 2 and pause, double click on this, so I need to make relation with this 50 with L, so click here, now click 50, so this is the dimension for part 2, and it will press equal, and then L multiplied by 0.5. Okay, okay, so I have the relation 0.5 and okay. Now let's try if the relation is good or not. Now if I change this value 100 to 200, let's see what happened to, yes, all the dimensions will change automatically, you see. And if I double click here, you can see that this dimension is in 200, this is 100, and all the dimensions will double. And also if I double click here, you can see this dimension change to 100. If I change to 200 to 400, then all the dimensions changed automatically to 400. You can check from double click here. Yes, you see, so it's now this length will be 200. You can see that it's changed automatically. So you can create any, well, this is simple assembly model, but if it is a very complex part, you can use this same technique to make that part parametric. Thank you very much.